Introducing new punch speakers from Rockford Fosgate. Engineered to fit, built to perform. Let's highlight the differences between our new P1, P2, and P3 punch speakers. Now, whether you're upgrading your daily driver or building your dream soundstage, Rockford Fosgate punch speakers make it easy to get the best sound at every level. Now, since modern vehicles require modern solutions, we took a common sense approach and redefined the punch series by classifying them as installation application products. The P1 punch speakers are simple, all-in-one upgrades for standard factory systems. The P1 are perfect for basic OEM systems with single speaker locations in the door or rear deck. Now, factory single cone drivers don't have tweeters, and replacing them with a three-way coaxial will deliver a big leap in sound quality and punch. To improve audio clarity, the P1 specifically feature TrueSight, the industry's first two-tweeter system for precise high-frequency alignment. To ensure fitment, all punch speakers feature auto-fit architecture with redesigned frames, mounting holes, removable motor covers, and speaker diameters to ensure seamless integration in today's modern vehicles. The P2 punch speakers are flexible upgrades for OEM systems with optional tweeters or for custom upgrades. The P2 convertibles offer true versatility by using them as a coaxial on vehicles equipped with one speaker for a fast drop-in, or a two-way component on vehicles equipped with a separate tweeter and a mid-range, like those found in an A-pillar or dash, for enhanced staging and imaging. Now, the tweeters feature ILM, which is an interchangeable locking mechanism that lets you unlock the tweeter and position it separately and replace it with a phase plug. This flexibility allows you to take control of your entire install layout. Now, in either configuration, the P2 creates a cleaner, dynamic soundstage. Now, in the future, you can upgrade to a three-way component system simply by adding our 2.5-inch mid-range. Now, the P3 punch offer high-fidelity performance and a premium OEM replacement. The P3 speakers are three-way component systems for vehicles equipped with a separate tweeter, mid-range, and woofer. These are for drivers who want it all: precision detail, powerful mid-range, and accurate lows. The P3 features MC3, which is a multi-configuration crossover chassis, allowing you to break the crossovers down into separate units, giving you total freedom to route and wire your setup. Now, every part of our P1, P2, and P3 speakers are engineered to be a workhorse. These are accomplished with reinforced glass fiber baskets, Santoprene surrounds, and Nomex spiders. What's cool is the VAST 2.0 technology delivers a 25% increase in cone area for maximum output and deeper, hard-hitting sound. They also feature larger motors, boosting a rated power of 75 watts RMS. So no matter how hard you drive them, our class-leading construction delivers relentless performance that lasts.